Hi everyone, and welcome back to Visme's feature recap. This update wraps up our final release of the year, and we're closing it out with some improvements that are making designing faster, more consistent, and easier to refine. From new 3D charts to creating on-brand AI designs, so let's take a closer look at what's new. Let's start with one of our newest releases, 3D charts and graphs. This new data visualization type helps your project stand out and catch your viewers' attention, a scarce resource in today's world. And the best thing is that there's no steep learning curve. All you have to do is know how to use Visme's drag and drop editor. Your viewers will be able to not just look at the data, but also interact with it. They'll be able to rotate 3D charts in 360 degrees and explore data from different angles, which works exceptionally well for complex or multi-layered datasets. As is the case with all of Visme's in-house produced assets, 3D charts are fully customizable. You can edit values, change colors to match your brand, and adjust text styles for titles, labels, and legends. You can even choose the chart's starting position and decide whether to keep or remove the background. To use 3D charts, open your project in the Visme editor. Then you'll go to Data, then Charts and Graphs, and select 3D charts. Choose a chart style and customize it in the settings panel, so if you want your data to look more modern and memorable, give 3D charts a try in your next project. Next up, we have a much anticipated improvement of our AI design generator. This update makes it much easier to generate designs that actually look like they belong to your brand because we've added the ability to use your brand colors, fonts, and logos in the AI designer generations. If you already have a brand kit set up in Visme, AI Designer will ask whether you want to use it when generating a design. If your brand kit includes multiple logos, fonts, or color palettes, you'll be able to choose exactly which ones to apply. You can also save that selection so future designs automatically use the same branding. As a result, you'll get AI-generated designs that are already on brand, which means less time manual tweaking and more time focusing on the content itself. And if you're using AI Designer to create content regularly, this update helps you move faster while keeping everything consistent with your brand. Now, to wrap things up, we've made a couple of valuable improvements to the AI text-to-speech generator. First off, you can now view the exact prompt used to generate an AI voiceover. For any audio created after November 25th, 2025, you can see the original prompt and settings and reuse or tweak them to generate a new version. This makes it much easier to iterate on voiceovers without having to start from scratch. You'll be able to find this option by going to Media, then Audio, opening My Audios, and selecting View AI Prompt from the Files menu. We've also added 3 new AI voices, 2 female and 1 male, bringing the total to 9 voices available. This gives you more flexibility to match the tone and style of your content. With this AI text-to-speech improvement, we're laying the groundwork for more Visme AI tools to support prompt history, so stay tuned for future updates. And that brings us to an end of our final feature recap of 2025. We're super excited about what's coming next and looking forward to sharing more updates with you in the new year. So if you have any feedback or future ideas, let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any future updates. As always, I'm Ivan, helping you design better for your business, and I'll see you in 2026.